Today we are going to learn a very interesting trick of sending random messages to your friends on WhatsApp. So let's get started with this trick. First of all, you will require two applications. One is Termux and one is Hackers Keyboard. So as I showed you in last video how to use Termux with Hackers Keyboard. So just get the keyboard on your keypad of Hackers Keyboard and just get started with the Termux. So you can check out my previous video to know this step how to do that. I'm not going to show you now. You can check it out on my previous video for using that step. So let's get started with our video. So I will open the Termux. After opening the Termux, so I will show you how to do with this trick, how to send random messages to your friends on WhatsApp. So I will show you how to do this trick. So let's get started with the trick. So first of all, you need to type some commands which I am going to type here. Just follow me carefully. And simply click on enter. After writing the first command, simply click on enter. After clicking on enter, it will take some time, so let's wait until then. So as you can see, the thing is in the process, so let's wait. Now you need to click on Y. Y means yes. After doing so, it will go to the second command. After writing the second command, we will simply click on enter. So again it will take some time. Let's wait until then to finish the command. So follow this command carefully. Just write down simply whatever I am writing here. Now let's move to the third command. After writing the third command, simply click on enter. Again it will take some time. Let's wait until then. Okay, so it's done. It might take more time to you because I have already gone through this command, so that's why it's not taking that much time to me perform this trick. But it will take more time to you to get processed with this command, because I have already done. That's why it's not taking more time to me. So let's move to the fourth command. Now simply click on enter. After clicking on enter, it will take some time again. So just follow me carefully whatever I am trying to do here. Now let's move toward the next command. And simply click on enter. So with this trick, you can send random messages to your friends, to anyone you want to send. You can send random messages to your friend with this trick. So there is no limit. You can send as much message you want to your friends on WhatsApp. So there is no any kind of limit. You can send as much message you want. So now let's move to the next command. Simply click on enter. Yeah, so as I was saying that you can send as much messages you want to your friends or anyone. So as much messages you can send unlimited random messages to your friends with this trick. So next command again. So carefully look at my process. Whatever I am doing here, just simply follow those all the things, and you do the same at your end. You can see, simply click on enter. So it will take some time. You can see at my screen it is not taking that much time. It's getting done with the process very fast. So at your case, it won't happen. It will take some time. It will take a long time to get deal with the process. I have already done this. That's why it's not taking that much time. But once you get done with this, for you also it won't take that much time. Let's move toward the next command. Now this command is the big one. Follow it carefully. This is the main command of this trick. This is the script of this trick. So follow this carefully. As I am writing, you write the same. Just simply follow me carefully. Whatever I am doing here, you do the same from your end. Once done, simply click on enter. Okay, so it's showing me some kind of thing over here, but it won't show you the same thing because I have already installed this script on my device. I was just showing you how to do this. So I was just showing you how to do this. So I have already installed this script on my device. That's why it's showing me fatal, as you can see on the screen. So let's move toward the next command. Okay, so again the next command. Simply click on enter. Yes, done. Again the next command. Enter. Done. Again the next command. So you can also do the same as I am doing here, and you can take the benefits of this script as well as of this method, but also use it for a good cause. Do not use for a bad cause. So yeah, so just follow me whatever I'm doing here. I'm saying you this repeatedly because once the video gets over, you write in the comment box that it doesn't work. Where is this method? Where is that? So that's why I'm just trying to make you alert while performing this trick. Okay, so you can see. Whatever I'm writing here, just simply write the same. Simply click on enter. So it will take some time now, as you can see. So I am done with this. So actually this command is very big, but it has been done in very short manner because I have already run this script before showing to you. So I have already tested this script and it's working very well. So now let's move to the next command and simply click on enter. Again the next command. So this is the last command of this script, or we can say of this trick. After then you can perform the attack which we are going to perform. So it's done. So we have came to the final stage of this trick, final stage of this script, we can say, or the trick. So I will show you what to do from here. So simply click on 4 and simply click on enter. After doing so, simply click on 1 and simply click on enter. Also you can select any of this option, 1, 2, 3 or 4, but I am selecting 1 just to show you how it works. Simply enter the country code over here and your number or your friend's number. You can add any one number, but To showing you, I am just entering my number. So after entering the number, here it will ask you how much messages you want to send. So I will simply, for demo purpose, I will simply enter 15, and after that then I will click enter, as you know. And for delay, just write 1 over here, and after then this trick will get started with this work. So simply click on enter. So you can see we have been getting the message. You can see, so we have been receiving the message on our WhatsApp. So this is how you can send random messages to your friend as much you want on their WhatsApp. So this is how it's get done. So we have seen that I have received the messages on my WhatsApp. So this is how it's get done. So it will send the 15 messages on my WhatsApp. So you can use this trick for your benefit. So I don't want more. I will click on N means no, and simply click on enter. So this is how it's get done. This is how you can perform this trick. I hope you guys have lots of fun using this trick. Also guys, please do not misuse this trick, and if you learned from our video, then let us know your experience in the comment section below, and make sure that you guys join our Telegram channel too. Time to wrap up this video. See you soon.